Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Configuring Apache to run Python scripts involves using the mod_python or mod_usg module. In this tutorial, I'll focus on mod_usg, as it's a commonly used and recommended module for running Python web applications with Apache. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install mod_usg. Ensure that mod_usg is installed on your Apache server. You can typically install it using a package manager like apt or yum on Linux systems. For example, on Ubuntu, you can run. On CentOS, you can run. Step 2. Configure Apache. Create or modify the Apache configuration file to include the necessary settings for mod_usg. Open your Apache configuration file, often located at /etc/apache2/apache2.conf or /etc/httpd.conf, and add the following lines. Replace your _domain.com with your actual domain or IP address and /path/to/your/project with the actual path to your Python project. Step 3. Create the WSGI script. Create a WSGI script, example your _app.usg, in your project directory. This script will be responsible for loading your Python application. Here's a simple example. Replace your _app with the actual name of your Python application or script. Step 4. Restart Apache. After making these changes, restart the Apache web server to apply the configuration. Your Python application should now be accessible through your Apache server. Remember to replace the placeholders in the configuration with your actual values. This tutorial assumes a basic setup, and depending on your specific project structure or requirements, you may need to adjust the configurations accordingly. ChatGPT.